bacon lovers, and welcome to another episode of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we will be making bacon and cheese jalapeno rolls. I want to give a big shout out to my friend Kirby Smith for posting this recipe on my Facebook wall. Thank you, Kirby. Y'all stay tuned for this week's delicious and spicy episode. We're going to take a large mixing bowl and we're going to take 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and combine it with a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, your favorite, whatever kind you like. About 6 slices of bacon. I'm going to chop it up and cook it and add it right into the bowl. I'm going to slice up 2 green onions, and then we're going to add a couple of jalapenos, 2 or 3. I'm going to do 2 because y'all know I'm a spice wimp. And then also we're going to sprinkle in some garlic powder. Okay, let me get that chopping and bacon frying. I have my bacon frying and I am going to continue chopping my green onions. Then I will de-seed and chop up the 2 jalapenos I have for this recipe next. I have de-seeded 1, so just gonna give it a rough chop and I'll get to the next one. Our bacon is frying away. Cut it up in little pieces. Let's combine everything in our mixing bowl. We're gonna take our softened cream cheese and we're gonna take our bacon. Make sure we get it all in there. Our grated cheese, cheddar cheese. I used cheddar. You could use Gouda. You could use any kind your little heart desires. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then you're gonna add your jalapenos and the green onions that you chopped up. Okay, we're gonna mix this all together and then put it in our wonton wrapper to make our roll. Let's also add some salt and pepper, just a little bit. A little extra seasoning never hurt. Well, Lordy, was a bit of a workout, but I think I have it all nice and combined. So let's start stuffing our wonton wrappers. Here's my wonton wrapper. Have a point towards you. And let's put a little bit of this mixture in here. Not exactly sure how much to put in here. You can fry these or you can bake them in the oven. I'm going to bake mine in the oven. So let's wrap, roll. You might want to wet a finger and so that the edge will stick to it. And then place it on your greased cookie sheet. I actually have a baking sheet that has a wire rack on it, so I think both sides will cook better. And then you're gonna lightly brush a butter olive oil mixture on top, but we will do that last. You can deep fry these or bake them in the oven. I am baking them in a 425 degree oven. You're supposed to bake them for 5 minutes and then flip them over and bake them for another 4 or 5. But since I have this wire rack, I think I'm just gonna go for it and put it in there for 9 minutes, maybe check it halfway through just to make sure it's cooking evenly on both sides. But let's go ahead and brush the butter olive oil mixture on top. Okay, this is just gonna help give it a delicious, crispy, golden brown top. Because, you know, if you're not deep frying, you're not getting kind of that crispiness when you put it in the oven. But this will definitely help that. Okay, I'm gonna put them in for 5 or 6 minutes, check on them. I might flip them over and then brush the other side too. Let's see how it looks. Let's take them out and see how they look. Maybe we'll flip them over. Oh yeah. Let's flip these guys over and brush them with the butter olive oil topping. I did also spray my wire rack, and I'm so glad I did because these babies did not stick and made it very easy for me to flip them over. Okay, quick brush, and we're gonna put them back in the oven for another 4 or 5 minutes. Okay guys, so I decided to go ahead and put it on high broil for about 3 minutes, and it is really doing the job, kind of giving it that extra crunchy golden brown layer to it to mimic the deep frying. Let's see how they did after we put them on broil. Oh, these smell so good. Oh yeah. Broil definitely did the trick. Yes, check this out. Okay, so they have crisped up on the edges. I definitely think that was the way to go. I'm gonna platter these guys up and let them cool, and then we'll do our taste test. Here they are. The bacon and cheese jalapeno rolls. Oh, they smell really awesome. And I think they're gonna be super hot, but we're gonna do a taste test now. And now for the taste test. Golden brown. Okay, I think this might be scorching hot. So if I scream, you'll know why. Did you hear that crunch? Crunchy on the outside, gooey, oozing cream cheese on the inside. I'll take another bite. Bacon in almost every bite. You have the jalapeno flavor. I didn't use 3 jalapenos, so it probably would be a much stronger flavor had I used the full 3, but being the spice wimp that I am, of course I didn't. But it adds, you know, that kind of peppery taste. It pairs really well with the bacon and the cream cheese. I think next time I might put a dash more of the garlic powder. The recipe called for half a teaspoon, so I think I will actually double that next time. Okay, you guys, this was super simple. So if you need a quick snack or an appetizer, this is it. Okay, guys, be sure to like, smash that subscribe button, and I will see you next time on Destination Bacon. And don't forget, keep posting those recipes on my wall. If I haven't gotten to your recipe yet, I'm sorry, I'll get to you. It's been a little crazy. I appreciate all you guys that post on my wall of these great recipes. Okay, see you next time. Bye.